clustered regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats. CRISPR. CRISPR is a revolutionary technology that has taken the scientific world by storm. It stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. What is CRISPR? At its core, CRISPR is a defense mechanism found in bacteria and archaea. These organisms use it to protect themselves from viral infections. Here's a simplified breakdown. Repeats. These are short DNA sequences that are repeated in a pattern. Spacers. Unique DNA sequences are inserted between these repeats. These spacers are actually pieces of viral DNA that the bacteria has captured. Cas9. An enzyme that acts like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at specific locations. How does CRISPR work? When a virus attacks a bacteria with CRISPR, the bacteria uses the captured viral DNA spacers to create a guide RNA. This guide RNA matches up with the virus's DNA, and the Cas9 enzyme cuts it, disabling the virus. CRISPR as a gene editing tool. Scientists have harnessed the power of CRISPR to edit genes. By designing specific guide RNAs, they can target and modify any gene in virtually any organism. Key applications of CRISPR: medicine, treating genetic diseases, developing new therapies, and creating personalized medicine. Agriculture, improving crop yields, creating disease-resistant plants, and developing more nutritious foods. Research, studying gene function, developing new models for diseases, and understanding biological processes. CRISPR mechanism. Want to learn more? If you'd like to delve deeper into the world of CRISPR, I can provide more information on specific topics, such as the different types of CRISPR systems, ethical considerations surrounding CRISPR, the potential impact of CRISPR on society,